My dear students, we are going to discuss about the one of the important topic in C language, that is called files. Okay, it's very important question public wise. Explain file operations or explain file input output functions in C language. Okay, here what are the important questions we discussed in the previous class? Storage classes and what is the pointer? Explain about pointers. Okay, here explain about the pointers concept we discussed in the previous video. Today we are going to discuss about the files concept. Okay, here what are the important questions we have discussed in the previous session. It's generations of programming language is one of the important questions in public examination. Okay, next one, input output functions. What are the input output functions in C language? Next one, the structure of C programming. These are the three important questions for first unit we will get in public examination. Okay, next one, what are the control statements including if and for and while loops? Okay, it's very famous question in second unit. Next one, what is recursion? Explain about types of recursion with factorial program. Here next third question, it is called storage classes with examples. In the previous class we discussed about the storage classes. Here in third unit, what we discussed third unit, very important. Explain a parameter passing mechanism or call by value and call by reference. They are calling it is a parameter passing mechanism, call by value and call by reference. Okay, explain arrays. What are the types of arrays? What is array? Explain types of arrays. It's very important. The two questions very important, very important public examination. Next one, string functions. This is the string functions. Every year they are asking about the string functions, string length, string uppercase, etc. We will discuss in the session also. Okay. In fourth unit, what is pointer? Explain about pointers. What we discussed yesterday, pointers. Any question related to pointers, you must explain. You must write the what we explained in the previous video. Okay. Next one is structures and unions with examples. What is structure? How to create structure? What difference between structure and union? These two questions very important for public examination. In fifth unit, it's very important. Only one question, that is called IO operations and files or reading and writing data into file. These both questions you need to write only for one answer. Okay, we will explain today. Is fifth question, very damn sure question. Today we will explain about the files concept. Okay, here important programs what we discuss is a prime numbers up to n, to better to read some Fibonacci series and matrix multiplication. It's sorting of given numbers. Okay, bubble sort. These are three programs better to practice. In 5 marks questions, regularly they are asking about the data types in C language. A break and continue go to statement. Here very important, enumeration are typed of keywords. Okay, next one, type conversion. These are the short questions you must prepare. Don't be forget other questions. Okay, command line arguments, another important question, command line arguments. We will discuss each and every question one by one. In the previous 2019 paper what they have provided, go to statement, pointers, files in C language, Fibonacci series program, enumerated data type, etc. Okay, you must focus on actually very important. Okay, essay questions, programming language, input output functions, both questions we will get at least one answer in public examination. Next one, recursion types or recursion with factorial program. Arrays, strings is the combination of one question. What we explained in the important questions, those questions should be repeated. File handling, file operations or file input output functions or reading and writing, all the questions related to only one answer. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the files concept. Here, what is file? Explain what are the different types of files in C language. What is file? Different types of files in C language. Here clearly what is file? File is nothing but it is related to system files, maybe MS Word files, Excel files, etc. It will store information permanently in hard disk. Okay, file is nothing but a normal file. You want to store information in computer with the help of one file name. The file stores information permanently. Files are stored permanently on secondary storage devices, maybe CD, DVD, hard disk, etc. The file is nothing but a collection of records. File is nothing but collection of records. It stores the information permanently. Except files, in the previous C programs, it will store only program but not input output. Okay, the program permanently stored in your lab systems, but the input output cannot be stored in your system. Because of the files programs, with the help of files program, we can store our input and output values permanently. Here, next one, what are the file operations? What are types of files? There are two types of files. That is called text file. Text file, it is similar to the alphabets, numerics, characters. It stores only for text characters. It directly read the file. That is, it stores information in a notepad. Okay, just to open the notepad, then we need to read each and every character. There is no secret. Okay. Next one, it is called a text file. Next one is called a binary files. Binary files, it stores the data binary format. Binary files, it stores the data binary format. We cannot read, non-readable. That means we cannot read data without program. It cannot read data without the program. With program, we can read the data. Okay, without program, we cannot read the data. But text files directly read one by one without program, because it is a notepad files are called text files. Next one, what are the file operations? They are asking about the file operations. Simply, the file operations are called simply the opening data structure of file. That means how to create file pointer, opening file pointer, read and writing files, finally closing file. These are the file operations or file steps also. What are the steps we need to follow? Create the file structure, opening file, reading and writing file, and closing file. Okay, these are the steps. First, how to declare file pointer. That is called the data structure of file is nothing but file declaration. Data structure is nothing but a file declaration. Okay, file declaration. Here, how to declare the file. Simply with the help of, we don't want to write the syntaxes, etc. Simply what I am explaining, simply those points should be written in examination. Okay, what I am underlining with yellow color, those points we write to get full marks 10 out of 10. File declaration, example, file space, file must be capital, space *p. File is a data type. Okay, file is a data type. Here, next one, opening files. How to open the files? With the help of, it is the library function fopen. Fopen function is used to open the files. So simply, for example, once create file structure, file *fp. F is equal file pointer. Then I want to open, simply fp is equal to fopen of demo.txt. Demo.txt is called a notepad file. So notepad file, R is called read mode. Already demo.txt file created. It is available in your system. We need to read. That means we need to read only but not store. In that situation, fopen function, reading and writing, only one function is available, that is called fopen. Simply, the file is not available, then it returns null. File is not available, it returns null. If the file is not available, it returns null. Next one, what are the file modes available? Simply write this. R is nothing but reading, only for reading data. We cannot write data. Simple example, only same what we writing, same example. In the same example, we need to change only for read mode or write mode, append mode, R plus, W plus, and A plus. R means only reading, W means only writing, A means appending. Appending means add the data, existing data, with the help of new data. Already some data available, you need to add new records at end of the file. Already some records available. For example, 5 student names stored in the system. You want to store 6, 7, 8 student names. Okay. R plus means reading and writing at a time. Reading and writing. W plus means reading and writing. It is also similar, but is only difference. R plus means existing file. Existing file means already created file. But W plus means new file. It always create new file. Then reading and writing possible. A plus means reading and appending. And existing file, what is the meaning of existing file? Existing file is nothing but a already created file is called existing file. Okay, new file means every time it creates a new paper, that is my new file. These are the file modes. Sometimes they are asking 5 marks question also, explain about file modes. Okay, the what I am underline yellow colors, those points should write in public examination. Last 5th question, damn sure 10 marks. Next one, what is the purpose of after complete the reading and writing using closing file? Closing file simply using fclose library function. So what is the example? Fclose of file pointer fp. Then these are the what I am explaining. This is the theory part of files only. Any question related to files, simply observe file word in a question paper to write the underlined questions. So what I am explaining here, files is nothing but it is a sequence collection of records. It stores data permanently on the secondary storage. So there are two types of files. Text files means it is character files, that is called notepad file. That is called notepad file. Directly read the notepad file content without program. Binary file stores the data in binary format. Okay, non-readable, we cannot read directly data. File operations means file declaration, file opening, reading or writing. Reading means already file available, we need to open and reading. Writing means we need to store the data. Store is called writing. Store is called writing. File pointer, how to create file pointer with the help of capital file and star fp. How to opening a file? Simply using fclose. File pointer fp created. Fp is equal to fclose of demo.txt file with read mode. Read mode means we need to read the data. File already exists. If the file is not available, then it returns only for null. It returns null. Okay. So what are the modes available? File modes. This is the file mode. Okay. File modes. R is called reading. W means writing. A means appending. R plus means reading and writing in existing file. W plus means reading and writing in new file. A plus means reading and appending in existing file. Appending is nothing but to add some data to the existing file at end of the existing file. Already some data available, to write some data at end of the file, that is called appending. Okay, after complete the operations, then close the file with the help of after reading operations such reading and writing appending file done. After required operations done, then using after required operations then on file are done, then using fclose library function to close the files. Then immediately we will write about this small program. Better to what I am underline, I will explain the points. Those will get at least minimum 6 to 7 marks. Okay, but better to write this small program with the help of small program. Then next, after complete the theory, what are the file functions available? This entire only one single question to write any answer once observe file word in a question paper. For example, file handling functions or file input output functions, both are same. Okay, here fopen, what is the purpose of fopen? Opening file for creating file. Fclose means closing a file. In fputc means put is nothing but a writing, write character. Fgets means read character. Fputs means write string. C is called character, S is called string. Okay, here we need not to write the syntaxes. Only for what I am underline, those words should be write in examination close. Fputc means write character, C for characters means string. So fgets is nothing but a read string. Fprintf is nothing but write all types of data. For example, roll number, name, etc. Roll number, name, percentage, etc. Fscanf read all types of data. Okay. Fprintf means writing. Writing means storage. Fprintf means writing data in your hard disk, in roll number, name, etc. Fscanf means reading, that is been already data stored, you want to read. Put W means write integer, get W, that means read integer. Okay, so we have so many functions, but better to write at least eight functions, or better to write simple 8 function name and simple description, what I am underlined with yellow color. Okay, fwrite, that writes structure data. Structures also. Fread means read structure data. Okay, rewind, this sets pointer. Rewind is nothing but a set the pointer beginning of the file. Fseek means set the pointer anywhere in the file. So you want to move the cursor beginning of the file using rewind. Okay, rewind function sets pointer beginning of file, that means rewinding. Fseek means sets pointer anywhere, any position. Fuf means end of the file, that means end of the file. These are the functions available, but better to write at least to 6 to 7 functions minimum. Okay, so in once you write the what I am explaining with yellow color, immediately we are getting minimum 7 to 8 marks guarantee. Okay, these are the error handling functions also available. What are the error handling functions? Clear error, FEF, F error. In a clear error is nothing but a error indicates, it resets the error at the end of the file indicator. For example, the file pointer reaches the end of the file, then using clear error automatically clears the error. FUF means if the file pointer end of the file indicator, so we have reached end of the file, then using FUF function. FUF means file end of the file. F error, it identifies the test the error indicator, test the error. So if the error is occur or not, it checks the F error function simply using F error of FP. Okay, you see the compare what I am explaining, these are all the concepts related to files only. Then simply write the small program related to okay, files. Here simple program, what I am writing the simple program, simple write the file pointer. For example, it is a file pointer. Once open file pointer, I want to store string for 60 characters, so it will be stored on D drive a:/a.txt file. Otherwise directly write the, for example, any file, or simply write demo.txt. W plus means writing and reading purpose, dual mode. The file is null, then cannot open file. Otherwise, then create new file, press Ctrl Z to stop. Okay, with the help of scanf function to read the string means 60 characters. So to enter your name, your address, etc., immediately fputs function, puts, that means stores the string into file pointer. How many strings it will take? Press Ctrl Z. Ctrl Z is nothing but end of the file. Okay, once complete the Ctrl Z, rewind, that means beginning of the file. Again we need to write the while loop, not file end of the file. Then we are starting at beginning line. Then gets string 60 characters into file. Then printf function prints the string on monitor. It's simple. After complete the while loop, simply close the file. Okay, this is the program. Better to write the program as well as possible, otherwise leave the program. Minimum 8 marks. What I am explaining theory, minimum will get the 8 marks. Otherwise, if you prepare the program, you will get definitely 10 marks. Once again I am explaining. Create file pointer to store string 60 characters. Opening file function, open. Then what is the file? Demo.txt. W plus means writing and reading. If the file is not exist, for example, you need not to write the lines, simply remove the lines to reduce the program. It will be 100% correct. So press the Ctrl Z, then stop. So scanf function take the string in keyboard, it stores in str. Once press Ctrl Z, immediately loop close. Then here each and every string attach some space also. You need not to write. Okay, just leave it. Simply fput function. Write the string into file. Then press the Ctrl Z, while loop close. Rewind. Rewind means beginning of the file. Then start the again file loop. FEOF means file not end of the file. We will read each and every string beginning to end. Then fgets function read string into str array. Then printf function prints the string on monitor. After complete that, simply close the file. So this is the program what they are asking, simply question files, any file operations, file functions, file modes, okay, how to read and write file, any question what I am explaining, single answer, definitely will get the 10 marks, my dear good students. So we will explain the another question is related to 5 marks question, that is command line arguments. Okay, command line arguments is nothing but to pass commands at MS-DOS command. DOS commands is nothing but click on start button. Okay, just click on start button. CMD, what is the meaning of CMD? Means command CMD. Then we will get command prompt. Once click the command prompt, it is called a command prompt. Okay, we will give some commands here, commands. This is called a command prompt. So how to use command line arguments, how to use command line arguments. So command line arguments is one of the question, is important question. So what I am explaining a command line arguments. Command line argument is nothing but passing arguments main function from a command prompt. From the command prompt is a command line arguments. Command line argument start button, click on run CMD, that is called command prompt. Here this is called a command prompt. So passing command arguments to main function, that is called a command line arguments. Command line arguments. So here command line arguments, it will take two arguments. Argc means contains count arguments, how many characters. Argv means stores the, it maintain list of arguments. What I am giving, list of arguments. Okay, simply main function accept argc means arguments counts. I am entering 5 names, so argc means 5. 5 names stored on argv vector. V means vector, that is called array. Array pointer array is called pointer array. Simply how many arguments are available? Total arguments argc. Simply print out %d. So how many arguments available? Argc. Argc is nothing but a argument count. There are 5, 6, 7, etc. So to run the for loop until arguments, simply print out the arguments value. So first arguments value, you need to write, you need not write everything. Simply how to print the each and every string. Simple change the, okay, here count. So first count 0, immediately arguments of 0 means first name prints, again count 1, next second name prints, automatically how many times it will for loop run? Arguments count 3 at 3 or 4 or 4. Okay, this is the simple program what I am explaining about command line arguments. Command line arguments. Simply what is the example? Demo. It's a demo is called a program name, C language program name, red, blue, green. Okay, how many arguments are available? This is the arguments. How many arguments are available? Only 3. It is program name. So arguments, how many arguments? 3. So first argument red, first argument demo is called a program name. So we leave it. Next, red is stored on argument 1, blue is stored on argument 2, green is stored on argument 3. This is command line arguments concept. It is called a command line arguments concept. Okay, both questions are very important in public examination. Okay, we will meet in next class. Thank you.